There's a lot going on with AI right now.
Our guest is Ricky Ferguson. He is a professor of marketing from Middle Tennessee State University.
Could AI replace salespeople?
Okay, but come on, I'm going to be skeptical here.
There's a lot going on with AI right now in sales.
Okay, like what?
A lot of different tools out there to help salespeople and companies be more efficient and more effective. Now, a lot of companies are using it for marketing research.
Yes.
Give me, I'm going out to call on this client next week. Give me a quick 2-page overview of this company and this.
Sure, that's just background.
And they're doing background.
That's good. That's fine.
So again, speeding up efficiency.
Sure.
Companies now are using some softwares to do cold calls.
Sure.
Because sales reps spend a lot of time in most industries making cold calls.
Yes.
2-3 hours a day. I spoke to a gentleman the other day as part of this research. He said, the product we sell, we don't sell it unless we are face-to-face with a client doing a demonstration. And my guys are spending 2.5-3 hours a day just making cold calls, trying to set appointments. They need that time to be able to do presentations.
Sure. Yep,
so if we can adopt an agent AI that can make the appointments, then it gives them their time back. They can go actually meet with people.
Sure. In the end, you're a person-to-person selling something,
and that's never
an element of trust.
And that's never going away.
Well, I don't know. I think on a commodity play it will. I think for premium goods it won't, and so there's going to be this weird area in between.
But it's already it went away on commodities before AI.
Yes.
If I need to order, 10 boxes of copy paper for my copier, I don't need a sales rep. I can go to Amazon or Staples or Walmart or whoever.
And I can't tell the difference between this brand and this one. It's whatever I'm getting for gross at the best cost if it fits in the printer. Yeah.
So that from a pure commodity standpoint, that went away way before AI. So the piece here is how do you maintain that human connection? And I was at a conference. AI was really just starting to get a lot of traction at that point. And couple of authors at that conference presented a paper in a session about could AI replace salespeople. And they basically had gone through the research and they'd put together about 27 items or tasks, I guess is a better way to say it, that a salesperson does in the normal process of their day, their week, their month.
Break the whole job down
into skill sets, and there was like 27 of them. And then they went through and looked at, of these 27, which ones can AI do and which ones can AI not do
at this current time?
At that current time. And at that time, I think there was 11. Now if you broke it down, maybe there's 18 or 19. But some of those were relational things.
Yes.
And just like having this conversation, there's a point where AI can't do that.
Right.
AI is never going to replace the human interaction pieces.
Well, there's also something fundamentally human about community building, our tribes, our families, energy exchange. Sometimes individually, but also you do it collectively.
Sometimes you do it collectively as well. And so there's been a lot of research out there already about how AI is impacting frontline salespeople and them being able to do their job. And a colleague of mine who's at East Carolina University and I are working on a project right now. What about the sales manager? I think when I was a sales manager, because I was a sales manager at the time when our company first rolled out Salesforce as a CRM software. And they're used to going out and making all their notes. I remember those days before that. Made all your notes in your little binder. And you kept all your own notes.
And you reminded those. You had to follow up calls on those. Use postcards for that.
I know as a sales manager myself at that time, trying to get salespeople to understand the benefit of using the CRM system.
Because they don't want to change what's successful.
Right.
They're making commission. Right? Like, I do it this way. I know I can get this. I make a paycheck. I support my family. Now you want me to change it up with the uncertainty of making the sales.
Right. And
I may not be able to take care of my family.
And you have some reps that'll be like, oh, it's a new tool. It's going to make me more effective.
Sure.
Okay, I'm all about it. Then you got others that were just that. I've been doing it this way for 15 years, 10 years, 5 years. And why should I change?
Yes.
And so there's that piece of, as a manager, getting them to understand the value of what you're trying to get them to use and how it's going to benefit them. Well, same thing's happening with AI right now.
Yes.
The companies that are really have their foot on the throttle with AI that are saying, we got this new agent AI, we got this new agent AI technology, we got this new agent AI technology, and sales reps have to use them.
Right.
there's stress on the sales reps for having to incorporate this in and figure out how, but there's also stress on the managers.
Sure.
How do you leverage and get them to buy in? And so all the research that's out there right now with companies has looked at the frontline sales reps.
Right.
And what we're doing, taking a step back and going, okay, what about the managers?
How are they managing, helping and assisting?
That are overseeing them? What kind of stress are they under?
Yes.
Because it's getting rolled down from their bosses.
Yes.
To say, hey, here's the new tool, here's the new toy, make sure all your people use it.
Yes.
And so we're in the process of doing some interviews right now, doing some corporate interviews with some of our partners here, some of the partners from East Carolina, some of our former partners that we know from other places, and getting those interviews done. And then once we get that done, then we're going to come back and do some survey data collection as well to look at it. So we're going to look at it.
Looking forward to seeing what you find and what the findings are.
Yeah.